In high-speed motors and precision transmission systems, shaft current corrosion has always been a latent threat affecting bearing life and operational stability. How to safely extract current in a simple, reliable, and cost-effective manner has become a key challenge in driving system design today. That's why VOSLUN's third-generation shaft grounding ring was born for. We are not involved in circuit design. We take innovation in materials science and structural design to provide a stable, low-resistance grounding path for motor shaft currents. Here we go. We will understand this product from 4 aspects. First is the material level. The third-generation shaft grounding ring has achieved full-dimensional performance improvement from conduction to weather resistance. This generation of products uses aluminum alloy as the base material and has achieved a balance between lightweight, processability, and cost. It has good mechanical properties and weather resistance. Its fiber base is also made of aluminum alloy with strong corrosion resistance and excellent welding performance, which provides stable support for conductive fibers. Its conductive fibers are also made of imported raw carbon fiber. After being treated with VOSLUN's unique metallization coating technology, it possesses high conductivity. A single bundle of fibers has more than 12,000 contact points, with a resistance as low as 1.1 ohms per meter. Its tensile strength easily exceeds 3,000 MPa in the range of -40 C and 200 C. It can still operate with stable performance, and it tolerates common transmission fluids and can pass rigorous salt spray tests. Second is the structural design level. Facing the dual requirements of cost reduction and reliability, we advocate the design concept of structural minimalism with undiminished functionality. It adopts an integrated welding structure with an aluminum base combined with a standardized fiber base, featuring easy assembly and high overall strength to ensure tight contact is maintained in a vibrating environment without loosening or shifting. The standardization of the fiber base ensures consistency. The base supports stamping and machining to flexibly respond to various batch requirements. Third is the functional implementation level. The static resistance of the third-generation shaft grounding ring is less than 1 ohm, and the dynamic contact resistance is less than 10 ohms, enabling stable and efficient current transmission. Shaft current is directed to the motor housing grounding through conductive fibers, which can effectively avoid bearing electric corrosion. The fibers have strong wear resistance and can maintain continuous, tight contact with the motor shaft, reliably ensuring the full service life of the motor. Finally, at the production support level, VOSLUN's shaft grounding ring relies on a highly automated production line to achieve large-scale and standardized manufacturing, ensuring timely delivery and consistent quality to provide customers with sustainable supply assurance.
Follow VOSLUN's official WeChat account to get the latest information.